Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm primarily focuses on family law. Please subscribe to our channel. We were asked a question today, if there's no court order, can one parent sort of exercise dominion over the child and keep the child away from the other parent? Well, it's a very interesting question because really, in the absence of a court order, there's no mechanism forbidding that conduct, meaning that, you know, mom and dad have a child, maybe they're not married, maybe it was a non-marital union that, you know, fell apart, they broke up, and now mom has the kid. Can the mom withhold the child and not let the father have any parenting time? If there's no court order, I mean, as a practical matter, the answer is yes. Should she is a different story, but can she? Of course she can. Why? Because there's no court order that says otherwise. And in a non-marital union, unlike in a marriage, there's a presumption the mom gets the custody anyway. So she can withhold parenting time from the dad, which means if the dad wants his parenting time in that scenario, he's got to go and get it. How does he go and get it? He hires an attorney. The law firm goes before the court, files a motion for specific parenting time that gives him scheduled parenting time, you know, on Monday this, Tuesday that, so on and so forth. It could be alternating. It could be 5 days, 2 days, 2 days, 5 days, or 4, 3, whatever it is. You can ask the court for that. But if you don't do that, and it's just a question of nothing's filed yet, does the mom get to do this? The answer is, if it's not an illegal activity, and there's no court order that says otherwise, mom can do whatever she wants. Similarly, if you have the child and you decide that you don't want to give the child back to the mom, can you do that? It may not be the nicest thing to do. It may not be something that cultivates good future relationships with mom down the road, which you may need, but can you do it? Of course you can do it, because there's no court order that says otherwise. As a matter of fact, sometimes people try to get the police involved. Well, I got news for you. There are times when the police will get involved, but you know what? In most cases where it's mom against dad, and mom says, I want my child back, and dad says, you're a drunk, I don't want to give it back, and a lot of times the police will say, you know what? This is a matter for the courts. File your motions. You get an order, we'll enforce that. We're not getting involved now. A lot of times the police will do that. So can one person withhold that child without a court order? Yes, they can. Should they is a different story. But if you're on the receiving end, where somebody is taking dominion over your child, not giving you any access to your kid, and there's no court order, then you know what you got to do. You got to call your attorney. You got to have an appropriate motion filed to get that order, and then of course you'll be able to enforce your parenting time rights. If you have any questions about that, or you're in that situation, call today. We'll be glad to help you out.